Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can translate anything on ChatGPT. Let's say I got a message in Korean, I can translate it to English using ChatGPT. How? I will show you that steps. And if you think there are some grammatical error on the sentence you're writing, you can fix that in ChatGPT as well. How? I will be showing you that in today's video as well. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So first thing, let's say I want to translate something. What I can do is go to ChatGPT and write this. Translate this to English. Now I want to translate a text into English. Now if you want it on Nepali, you want to write Nepali, and Chinese, you want to write Chinese. Whichever language you want it to be translated, write that over here. So I want it on English. That's why I said translate this to English, and paste the text over here and click on this little arrow looking icon, and ChatGPT will translate it. So wait for some time. It basically means hello, how are you? It's as simple as that. Now to correct any sentence or grammatical errors, you want to write this. Is there any error or grammatical mistake in this sentence? You want to write this 2 semicolons. Once you write this 2 semicolon, what you want to do is paste the sentence. So I'm going to write a sentence over here. So my sentence is hello, how are you? So let's see if there's any grammatical mistakes over here. I can click on this arrow. Now ChatGPT will check if there is any. Yes, there is a grammatical mistake in this sentence. Hello, how are you? It should be hello, a comma, how are you with a question mark. As you guys can see, it fixed it. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix your grammatical errors. And if there was any spelling mistake, it would have fixed it as well. So that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step, and bye-bye.